The reverse command is a powerful tool to flip the order of events in your search results. It allows you to switch between showing the newest events first or the oldest events first, making it easier to analyze data from different perspectives. The reverse command flips the order of events in your search results. It changes the timeline of events, allowing you to see the oldest events first if they were previously shown newest first, or vice versa, helping you understand event sequences clearly. To use the reverse command, simply add reverse at the end of your search pipeline. This command does not require additional parameters and works by flipping the order of events that have been returned from previous commands. In this example, events are first sorted by time to show the newest events first using sort-time. Then the reverse command flips that order to display the oldest events first. This combination ensures precise control over how event data is presented. When working with statistical commands like stats, reverse can reorder the output without needing another sort command. This saves time and simplifies pipelines when you want to change how summary statistics are displayed. The reverse command is a simple yet effective tool to change event order instantly. It fits seamlessly into any search pipeline and works well with commands like stats and sort. Using reverse helps you tailor the event timeline to your analysis needs with ease. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.